Hi everyone, in this video we are going to continue the chapter Coordinate Geometry of class 10th Mathematics. In the previous video we have studied the introduction to coordinate geometry. Now let us move for the exercise 7.1 of coordinate geometry. So in 7.1, so let us see what is the question in 7.1. So the question is find the distance between the following pairs of points. So first question is, so we have to find the distance between the following pairs of points 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. So let us solve the first question, and this is second and this is third. Let us solve the first question by using distance formula. So now in the first question they have given 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. So 2 comma 3 is x1 y1 and 4 comma 1 is x2 y2. So what is the distance formula? So d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance d is equal to square root of what is x2 minus x1? 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 3 whole square. So d is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. So d is equal to square root of 2 square is 4 minus 2 square also 4. So 2 2s are 4 minus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So d is equal to square root of 4 how many times? 2 times. So 4 into 2. So d is equal to what is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 2 units. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is 2 root 2 units. So now let us solve the second question. So minus 5 comma 7 x1 y1 minus 1 comma 3 x2 y2. So let us find the distance between these 2 points. So d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So d is equal to square root of x2 minus 1 x1 minus into minus, it will become plus 5 whole square plus y2 3 minus y1 7 3 minus 7 whole square. So d is equal to square root of minus 1 plus 5 is 4 whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. So d is equal to square root of 4 square becomes 16 and minus 4 into 4 becomes 16. 4 4 minus into minus become plus, 4 4s are 16. So d is equal to square root of 16 how many times? 2 times. So d is equal to square root of 16 is 4 root 2 units. So this is the distance between the 2 points. Therefore the distance between 2 points is 4 root 2 units. So now let us solve question number 3. So ಮೂರನೇ question solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. So in the third question they have given the coordinates of 2 points are a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So let us find out d. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So d is equal to square root of x2 is minus a minus x1 is minus a whole square plus y2 minus b y1 b minus b whole square. So d is equal to square root of minus a minus 2a whole square minus b. So minus 2b whole square. So d is equal to square root of minus 2a 2 times minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4a square plus minus 2b into minus 2b, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4b square. So d is equal to square root of, in these two let us take 4 as common, then remaining is a square plus b square, 4 into a square plus b square. So d is equal to, what is square root of 4? It is 2. So 2 root of a square plus b square units. So this is the distance between 2 points. Like this we have to find the distance between 2 points by using distance formula. So by this we have completed the first main. Now let us move for the second main. So let us see what is the question in the second main. In the second main they have given find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2 anta ide. So now let us answer this question. So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So the coordinates of 2 points they are given 0, 0 as x1, y1, 36, 15 as x2, y2. Find the distance, write the distance formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So D is equal to square root of, so x2 36 minus x1 0 whole square plus y2 that is 15 minus 0 whole square. So D is equal to square root of 36 square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 square. So D is equal to square root of, so let us multiply 36 and 36. So this is plus 15 15s are become 225, then 36 into 36, 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 21, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 6 9 2, it will be 1296. So D is equal to square root of, for 1296 if you add 225, 6 plus 5 11, 9 10 plus 2 12, 5 1, it will be equal to 1521. So D is equal to square root of 1521 is 90, that is 39. So square root of 1521 is 39 units. Therefore distance between D is equal to AB, which is equal to 39 kilometer. What is the distance between A and B? The distance between A and B. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ section 2 section 7.8 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 7.2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ section 7.2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 7.2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 39 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 39 kilometer. So like this we have to find out the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B. So now let us move for the next third question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. So idu collinear anta kelidene. So now let us answer this question. So now let us write the coordinates of the 3 points. The coordinates of the point A is 1, 5, B is 2, 3 and C is 7, minus 2. First let us find out AB. So AB distance in a find out mana. AB is equal to square root of x2 2 minus x1 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. That is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 whole square is 1 square, 3 minus 5 whole square is minus 2 whole square. That is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 whole square is 5. So it will be equal to square root of 5. AB admele let us find out BC. So BC is equal to square root of 7 minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square minus 2 minus 3 whole square is equal to square root of 7 minus 2 is 5 square minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of 5 5s are 25 minus 5 2 times also become 25. So that is equal to BC is equal to square root of 50, or it can be written as 25 twos. So square root of 25 is 5 root 2. So distance between B and C is 5 root 2. Now let us find the distance between A and C. So let us find the distance between A and C. So A ಮತ್ತೆ C ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to square root of 6 square plus minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 whole square is equal to square root of 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. So AC is equal to, so now let us add them. For 49 let us add 36. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So it will be equal to square root of 85. So 85, we got the value of square AC, distance between A and C is square root of 85. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB ನ BC ಗೆ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will not be equal to AC. ಸೊ AB ಮತ್ತು BC ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ AC ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ AB plus BC, AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Therefore the given points are not collinear. Therefore the given points are not collinear. So like this we have to solve this question. So this is question number 3. So now let us move for question number 4. So fourth question is, check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅದು ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ 2 sides ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ 2 sides are equal then they are isosceles triangle. ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನ let us take it as vertex A as 5 comma minus 2, vertex B as 6 comma 4 and vertex C as 7 comma minus 2. So now find the distance between A and B, find the distance between B and C, find the distance between A and C. So ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ it will become isosceles triangle. First let us find out AB. A 5 comma minus 2 and B 6 comma 4. So AB is equal to square root of x2 6, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus into minus plus 2 whole square. AB is equal to square root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square, 4 plus 2 is 6 square. So that is equal to AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 36. That is equal to square root of 37. So square root of 37 units is the distance between A and B. So now let us find the distance between B and C. B is 6 comma 4, C is 7 comma minus 2. So x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So D andre BC. BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2, then y1 is minus 4 whole square. So BC is equal to square root of 7 minus 6 is 1 square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 36, which is equal to square root of 37. Now find the distance between A and C. So A is 5 comma minus 2, C is 7 comma minus 2. Now find the distance between A and C. So AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus 5 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So AC is equal to square root of, so 7 minus 5 is 2 square, minus 2 plus 2 is 0 square. So AC is equal to square root of 4. So AC is equal to 2. So we got the value of AC as 2 units. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB and BC are equal. AB and BC both are equal to root 37. Since two sides are equal, since two sides are equal, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal, hence it is an isosceles triangle. So like this we have to solve question number 4. Now let us move for question number 5. So question number 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ A, B, C, D ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ABCD ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಚಮೇಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಅಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಮೇಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಚಂಪಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಚಮೇಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಈ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಬರ್ಕೊಳೋದಾದರೆ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 3, ವೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 4. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 3,4. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೈ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 3,4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 6ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ವೈ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 7ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ 6,7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿ 9ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿ 9,4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 6ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 6,1. ಫಸ್ಟು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ 4 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಲೆಂತ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಲೆಂತ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರೇ ಆದರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇದು ಬಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಎ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ 3,4 and B 6,7. First let us find the distance between A and B. So AB is equal to square root of 6 minus 3 whole square. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3 whole square, y2 minus y1 plus 7 minus 4 whole square is equal to square root of 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 7 minus 4 is 3 square is equal to square root of 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are 9. So that is equal to 9 how many times? 2 times. 9 into 2, square root of 9 is 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 is the distance between A and B. Now let us find out the distance between B and C. B is 6 comma 7 and C is 9 comma 4. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Now use the distance formula. So BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, that is 9 minus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 4 minus 7 whole square. So BC is equal to square root of 3 square plus minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square andre 9 minus 3 whole square andre 9 is equal to square root of 9 2 times, that is equal to 3 root 2. Square root of 9 ಆಚೆಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನು root 2 ಮಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ 3 root 2 units. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿ ಸಿನೂ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ. ಎ ಬಿನೂ ಕೂಡ 3 ರೂಟ್ 2, ಬಿ ಸಿನೂ ಕೂಡ 3 ರೂಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸು 9 ಕಾಮ 4 x1 y1, ಡಿದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸು ಸೊ 6 ಕಾಮ 1 ಸೊ x2 y2. So use the distance formula. So CD is equal to square root of 6 minus 9 x2 minus x1. 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to square root of 6 minus 9 is minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. So CD is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square become 9, minus 3 whole square become 9. So square root of 9 how many times? 2 times. So square root of 9 is 3 root 2. So CD also 3 root 2. Now find the distance between A and D. So A is 3 comma 4 and D is 6 comma 1. So distance between A and D is equal to square root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4 whole square is equal to square root of 3 square plus minus 3 whole square. So that is equal to square root of 3 square is 9, minus 3 whole square is also 9. Square root of 9 how many times? 2 times. Therefore square root of 9 is 3 root 2. So hagadre all the four sides are equal. AB 3 root 2, BC 3 root 2, CD 3 root 2, AD also 3 root 2. All the four sides are equal. So 4 sides equal ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ 2 diagonals? One is AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. So find the distance between AC. So square root of 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to square root of 6 square. 9 minus 3 is 6 square, 0 square. So square root of 6 square is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. Now find the distance between B and D. So B the coordinates to 6 comma 7, D the coordinates to 6 comma 1. So distance between BD is equal to square root of 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. That is equal to 6 minus 6 is 0 square, 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square. That is equal to 0 square is 0 plus minus 6 whole square is 36. 0 plus 36 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Again, both the diagonals are equal. So it is a square. It is a square. Square anta hege gottayitu? All the four sides are equal because AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and diagonals AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. Therefore Champa is correct. Therefore Champa is correct. So like this we have to solve this fifth question. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ the how to solve from question number 1 to question number 5. So remaining part of the questions will be solved in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks everyone for supporting me and my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much.